Today we're going to be making roasted carrots. So let's get started. Okay, so today I'm using a really big giant carrot that I got from Imperfect Foods, and I was looking for a place to use it, so we'll use it to make roasted carrots. You're going to thoroughly wash your carrot, and it's not necessary to peel it. Just leave the skin on there and just give it a good thorough wash. And I'm going to cut it up into little strips. Try to make them even in size so they will cook about the same. Once you have them all cut up, you're going to put them in a pan like this. Spread them out. And now I'm going to drizzle some olive oil all over. And I'm going to take some breadcrumbs. These are Italian. I'm just going to spread them all over the carrots. And take some minced garlic and spoon that over as well. Now you've washed your hands thoroughly. We're going to dig in and just mix these up thoroughly. Spread them out again. Now I'm going to add some pepper and a little bit of salt. You can adjust these flavors later. Mix them all up really good. Now we're going to be adding some onion powder and some garlic powder. Just sprinkle that all over. Now I'm going to add just a little bit more breadcrumbs on the top. And next I'm going to grate some Parmesan cheese. And you can add as little or as much as you'd like. Now we are going to set our oven at 400 degrees. And I'm going to put these in for 20 minutes. And at about 10 minutes, you're going to take it out and give it a good stir. And then put them back in to finish their time. And here we have our roasted carrots. Now you can add a little bit more salt or a little bit more garlic powder, anything you'd like. I hope you enjoy this video today, and please follow me on Cheryl Carol Says, and we'll see you in the next one.